I'm Dr. Janine, a board-certified naturopathic doctor and doctor of chiropractic. I am certified in allergy desensitizing techniques, systems balancing techniques, and clinical nutrition. It is my mission to both inspire and empower families to achieve optimal health. I've studied the power of energetic health and wellness for many years, and I have experienced the power of energy in helping people to achieve their desired health benefits and actually get results where other products and methods have failed. There is no surprise that our bodies are energy. I mean, we're energy. Everything about us is energy. Every day our bodies are being bombarded by internal and external stressors to that energy system. This comes from chemicals, toxins, EMF radiation, stress, physical trauma, emotional trauma. There's so many factors constantly bombarding us. And so when your body's energy flow is drained, blocked, or imbalanced, or even interrupted, you feel discomfort, fatigue, and other symptoms. However, when the body's energies and frequencies and vibrations are recharged, balanced, and optimized, you naturally feel happy and healthy. One of the products I use and recommend is Nature's Frequencies Immunity Patch. This is something I believe every household needs to have on hand, and here's why. The immunity patch is actually programmed with powerful ingredients such as vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, zinc, camu, licorice root, and many other natural ingredients that are known to help support the immune system, to relieve sinus pressure and congestion, as well as to relieve inflammation and help to support and maintain overall optimal health and wellness. It's designed to be used year-round for prevention and protection. And the thing is, when you need it, you need it. So I believe everybody needs to have it in their household. For best results, place one immunity patch on each side of the upper chest, just in the soft area beneath the collarbone, right here, the K27 acupuncture point. Now, for optimal use, these are going to be worn for up to 3 days. Many people start to experience results within just a few minutes to a few hours. However, more benefits and results are seen with continued use. Now, I absolutely love having this patch around. This is something that I wear on most days, and I absolutely always wear it when I travel. Because when we're traveling, our bodies, we don't get as much sleep, we might not be eating the same way, and our resistance goes down a little bit. And so whenever I want to increase my energy or my resistance, I always wear these patches. Now also, if there's anything where you feel like you have a symptom coming on, that's a great time to grab immunity and stick them right here. That is why my favorite energetic product line that I have been using and recommending for the past 7 years with incredible success is Nature's Frequencies Energetic Health and Wellness Products. Nature's Frequencies manufactures and is constantly inventing products, currently holds 5 U.S. patents, that's 5 U.S. patents, and has won 12 major industry awards, including the most coveted Gold Medal Edison Award. Now, I just think this is incredible because it shows that our products work, and the world is beginning to see that.